Welcome back to Smart Kitchen. Today we're preparing a creamy, flavorful, and completely plant-based classic, egg-free salad sandwiches. This recipe gives you the familiar comfort of an egg salad sandwich, but using extra firm tofu and fresh vegetables for a light protein, rich alternative. To make this delicious sandwich filling, you'll need extra firm tofu, vegan mayonnaise, mustard, lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, garlic powder, ground cumin, celery, a diced pickle, green onions, salt and pepper, and optionally Indian black salt, also known as kala namak, for that authentic egg-like flavor. Indian black salt is a wonderful ingredient here. Just a small pinch instantly transforms the taste. Let's begin by pressing the tofu. Wrap it first in a paper towel, then in a clean kitchen towel. Place it between two heavy pots and leave it for about 10 minutes. Replace the wet towel with a dry one and press for another 5 minutes. Pressing removes excess moisture and helps the tofu absorb flavor. Once pressed, chop the tofu into uneven chunks. They don't need to be perfect. The irregular texture makes the final mixture feel more like a traditional egg salad. In a large bowl, combine the vegan mayonnaise, mustard, lemon juice or vinegar, garlic powder, and cumin. Whisk or stir until smooth and creamy. This dressing brings tanginess, richness, and a gentle spice to the tofu. Now add the chopped tofu, diced celery, pickle, and green onions. Stir gently to coat everything evenly. Taste and season with salt and pepper. If you are using Indian black salt, add just a small pinch. It provides a wonderful egg-like aroma and flavor. Allow the mixture to rest for a few minutes, so the tofu absorbs the dressing. Toast your bread lightly for texture. Add lettuce, tomato slices, spoon a generous amount of the tofu mixture onto the bread. Layer your toppings and close the sandwich. The result is a creamy, fresh, and satisfying egg-free salad sandwich that's perfect for lunch, snacks, or meal prep. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to download our free cookbook, Healthy Tofu Recipes, available at smartkitchen.vmbooks.com. The link is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us what plant-based recipe you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Smart Kitchen video.